So I bought my boyfriend some bands here to go with the Fitbit that I had. And here is my Fitbit. It is the original Fitbit band, says Fitbit. And there's literally like zero difference other than the little band thing right there doesn't say Fitbit. But even like the same textures in the band, see how it has those grooves? The same type texturing in the bands, and I love that it came with the navy blue and the gray, and literally like his is the large size, that's why it's a little bit bigger, but same thing. Was a breeze putting it on, no problems at all. Did exactly as my Fitbit did. Sorry, I've been painting for church, but yeah, I mean, it's perfect and so much cheaper.